Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around and saying, no, the bulls didn't have a good day. Bulls definitely did have a good day, but that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just kind of one of these fake breakout type moves? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward, and it really revolves around a level that I talked about previously. I don't remember the last time I did an analysis on this video, but the nice thing about my chart provider, whenever I leave annotations, no matter how much later I come back to look at them, the lines are still there. And the key one is right here at $1.15, and this update comes from a foundational principle in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and especially in this situation. So why is that the case? How is $1.15 going to help us answer the question about whether or not today's price movement has some true power behind it? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price back inside of this channel where it's been for several weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the previous channel, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this next overall set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that is the name of the game. You want to see price movements make progress as time unfolds, and in this situation, I'm defining quote-unquote progress as $1.15. So bottom line, you don't want to see the price going back inside of the channel because, well, then that would just imply that this current breakout move didn't have any sort of true breakout behind it because now the price is back inside of the channel. What about areas of resistance? At this point, just going to focus on one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second, and that level is right up there at $1.30. So $1.30 key resistance, just going to focus on that one. In my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority for the chart. Top priority is just making progress, building higher bases, because as long as the chart puts in those higher lows, long-term chart's going to take care of itself. So very nice day today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.